Okay. First of all, I'm not even sure what all this fuss is about. Burhan Muzaffar Wani was a terrorist. He was the designated head of a terrorist outfit, the Hizbul Mujahideen, and we killed him. Now, he has a successor, and we'll kill him too in 5 to 6 months. Now, people are talking about human rights. People are talking about Article 370.
Yeah,
how is it connected to killing Burhan Wani? Burhan Wani was condemned to death the day he started instigating people to come and kill the security forces, ambush the Indian Army people, and kill them. Number one. Number two, for any other crime in the country, there can be punishment, but this is treason. Gaddari ki saza maut hai. Iske alawa kuch bhi nahi hai. Let that be very, very clear. The gentleman there, Mr. Dayal, said that there are rapes in Chhattisgarh and other places. Sure, yes. The army comes from within the population of the country, but the army is the only institution in the country which punishes these things very swiftly and with the greatest, sir, please hear me out.
Yeah,
please hear me out, sir.
We are listening.
It punishes people wherever it finds people guilty. Now,
we can give you incidents.
And number 4.
आज ही कल भी हुआ है, कभी भी नहीं हुआ है.
I would like 60 seconds to respond.
Sir, please.
उसके ऊपर मत आइए.
Sunie, if you allow me to speak,
I'm sure you will give us.
If you allow me to speak, then I can tell you.
Please.
Now, there are 2 very quick points I'd like to make, Arnab, regarding this. Number 1 is about the Pakistan issue. Burhan Wani carries an AK-47. Is there a factory manufacturing AK-47s in Kashmir?
Answer.
He's wearing elbow pads. He's wearing knee pads. He's carrying a Motorola handset. Where did he get them from? Who's funding it?
Answer.
Now, I have seen, ma'am, just 1 second. I have seen Burhan Wani in photographs holding a weapon. He holds a weapon like a person who's been trained by a military somewhere. Now, this person who's a trained terrorist has been shot. What is the fuss about? He's a terrorist. We killed him.
Absolutely well said. I'd say we celebrate Burhan Wani's killing, but yeah, go ahead, no, answer him on question. Question him on fact. Question him on fact. On fact.
Seconds.
Respond to him.
I will respond.
AK-47 comes from the Covert Action Division of the ISI.
Have I disagreed?
1 second. 1 second.
Ma'am, 1 second, ma'am. Ma'am, 1 second.
No,
go ahead.
Go into the depth.
Ma'am,
We have skills of
all
it.
right.
1 second. Sunie, boliye.
These people, whether it's the Hizbul Mujahideen or any other people, including the Hurriyat Conference, they are funded by Pakistan. Number 1. Number 2. The Hurriyat Conference calls for आजादी. इस देश का बंटवारा एक बार 1947 में हो चुका है. इस देश का बंटवारा दोबारा नहीं होगा.
बोलने दीजिए.
And number 3, I can tell you, ये हुर्रियत कॉन्फ्रेंस वाले 5 साल की बच्चों की लाशों के ऊपर सियासत करते हैं. That is the truth. You're blaming the Indian Army. The Indian Army is a blunt instrument. It is not a scalpel. It's a broadsword.
Well said, Major Adia. Well said, Major Adia. Continue. Let him speak.
Ma'am, I'll tell you what. There is a huge responsibility upon an army person there at site. I'll tell you what happens. And I'll just take 30 seconds to explain. You say that...
I'm sure you will get them also uninterrupted.
Yes.
No. I am just trying to tell you that there is a box, there is a bunker there in which 10-15 security forces personnel are there. They are surrounded by 300-400 people pelting stones, and they create pressure. Now, people say that children were hurt. I want to ask, what is a 5-year-old kid doing in front of a military bunker in Kashmir? Who put that kid there? Who put the women there?
They put them as shields, these cowards. They put them as shields. They put them as shields. Go ahead.
ये बुर्का पहन के जिहाद करते हैं ये लोग.
बात करिए क्यों 5
नहीं 1 second. बोलिए मेजर आर्या.
बताइए.
ये बोलने दे मेजर आर्या को. बोलने दीजिए. बोलने दीजिए मेजर आर्या.
Ma'am, just 1 second. I want to ask you. Allow me to complete.
Mera, for the first 40 minutes of the program, you spoke. This man sat here and listened. You have no right saying with your views you'll be allowed to speak. He sat there in a discipline.
That was a comment on you, not on him.
No. You can be factual in whatever you say. Let him speak. Go ahead.
So, people were injured. There were some people who were killed in Kashmir. Now, I want to ask, did the security forces enter their homes and kill them? Or were these people throwing stones and they attacked the security picket? How did it happen?
This was happened before.